Hello, in front of me I've got Motus 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fold and unfold the scooter. Firstly, take a look at the bottom of the scooter. Right here we've got this hook we have to unlock. So pull it upwards. Then we have to pull this lever backwards. Now we can fold the scooter. To unfold it, pull this lever upwards. Now the best way is to stand on the scooter and now kick it. Remember to lock the handle and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.